Budgets versus actuals. Let's talk about one of the most essential tools you can use, the budget. Your budget is your plan, what you think will happen. Your actuals are what really happened. You make your best guess about income and expenses, track everything as it unfolds, and then compare the two. That comparison shows you where you were over, under, or right on target. Maybe you budgeted $500 for a costume but spent $800. Or you expected $2,000 in ticket sales but brought in $3,000. Seeing those differences helps you plan for next time and make smarter choices. Here's the simple version. Budget equals your plan. Actuals equals your receipts. Why does this matter? Because putting them side by side gives you more than just accuracy. It gives you insight. It helps you evaluate projects, explain results to funders, and stay honest with yourself about how money actually moved. A budget by itself is just a guess. Actuals by themselves is just history. Together, they give you a clear picture on how your project really played out and the power to improve the next one.